Close your mouth. Hello, Malu. How are you?
How are you? I'm not okay.
You are not okay? What is your problem? Tell me.
Problem money.
Money.
Need more money.
Need
More money.
who take your money?
My... Ay, your man. Don't.
Bakit? Nawalan na.
Dahil.
No. I don't talk about this money.
Tok. Nawalan ka? Happen.
No.
Yeah.
Coming here. And
So scared for you because you take money.
Aywa.
Oh. No.
no.
Someone lost, her
Yeah.
things is lost. Must be you close this one. If there's a more party, you need to close it.
Yeah, I
Because
close.
What happened to Lynn?
Yes.
To Lynn phone.
Yeah.
Right?
That
Don't just and.
No.
Yesterday there's
our problem is other problem.
a lot of new ladies, not always right.
Yeah,
So-
and Jennifer, you told the lady, na please, because maybe sometime we have money, sometime we don't have. I talk about my company. We don't have money. After Monday we will pay. Okay, same like yesterday we did not pay. I think before,
the
na
other, yeah,
because
for
problem,
hospital.
little bit problem. Sir Musa wife is in the hospital.
The part-timer, they need money.
That's
Right?
right.
All
That's
people
why they
need
go,
money.
Yeah. Because in the other side,
Yeah,
Ha?
uh,
1 o'clock.
1:15 na, wala pa salin.
1:15. Ay,
Saling ka.
di pa ako.
Sabi, go.
Ha? Ano na? Then, mag-mall. Ito, daming...
Kanin yan.
What do you have? Huh?
Kakanin.
Ako naman talaga yun.
What is this, a cutting?
Sweet, Filipino sweet.
Ah,
Flower.
See, oh. Ay! Bani. Eat.
Yung ano,
Si Biko Buko.
sabi ko magpa, ano ba?
bukod uda. Uba.
Yan. Taste it. I eat rice.
Ng tubig. Ang laki.
You eat rice?
Yeah. Nice.
Nagluno.
Malo.
Ah?
Nice, ha?
Ha?
Good.
Ano siya doon?
What is this?
It's ube buko. It's Biko ube.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, it's
How to make this one?
Oh.
with the ube
Yun na.
and ube flavor of this one is rice, glutinous rice.
Yeah, I feel rice
I
taste.
like it. You know the sticky rice? Yeah. And the sweet, this one, sweet condense. Malu.
Malu, eat. Come. This is very yummy.
Biko. You know Biko?
And may tinapay din.
Biko, that one.
Ube biko.
Oh. You like that one, Obi Biko? Ha? Ayun. Diabetic mong tayo.
Taste.
Taste biko.
Biko. Ha?
Biko.
Ano?
Peacock.
Biko.
Yeah.
Na problema pa nga ang kapatid ni Papa ngayon.
Water. There's no water.
Ni Papa ba?
Okay. I give you the number for
Give me,
these
so
ladies.
We will try. It's
Sino yung
good.
babae yun? Sino yun?
Sino?
Yung kasama natin marunong magluto yung daw.
Oo.
Yun na. Oh, I have the
Maricor.
number. Oh, Maricor.
Pero,
Pilipina.
but she want already mixed. And she will cook only. That's the problem. Because on her part-time, they give her
Ano lang?
already mixed
Mix.
up and she's the one only to cook.
Allah Akbar.
Hindi ka. Oh.
Naguli sila, ulam.
Siya
Yeah,
yung
we want all
yung
things.
Yung tao ba niya? Maghingi lang siya.
Basta gusto kong huliin yung gold. Too much big to gold.
Yeah, I know.
Gold lang daw hulihin niya sa'yo.
Little bit for me.
Yeah, we hop up. No, for me, the
For you
necklace, for you, the bracelet.
Bracelet, okay. You come here,
Narinig mo.
you take it for us.
And the ring.
Ring. Yeah.
Hingi daw sila gold mo, hatiin daw nila kay konti. Kaya malaki daw. Okay.
Oh, my
Then, solid.
Dali, do you have things
Wait,
this
wait.
one?
Allah Akbar, calling.
Yes, too much calling.
6 4 time. Same time calling.
Yes.
My prayer
I call.
yesterday.
Class.
Apple the...
Imani!
My Rebecca time.
Imani ko
हाँ
ni!
जी.
मानी वो किधर एक वो लेडीज के कौन है मसूल है बोले जेनिफर है
Imani ko
जेनिफर का नंबर दो
No,
हम
इमान-
बोले जेनिफर का नंबर तुमको मालूम नहीं हाँ हमको मालूम है तो वो लड़की का नंबर दे दो
हाँ, मुझे भी ऐसे ही उसने 4 दफा कॉल किया.
Supot, babe. Bigyan mo ko supot.
Please check, ladies.
No, it's the problem the lady. That's why.
Yeah, they put their things on our
Don't
things.
forget.
And they took our things.
अल्ले वल्ले वर्किंग क्या ला यार रा
They took our things.
सलीम भाई गुस्सा करे ना जरा.
गुस्सा नहीं करेगा
नहीं, ये तो हमारी सिस्टर है ना, इस पे तो कर सकते हैं ना. शी इज अवर सिस्टर, शी इज अवर. ओके.
Sana yun. Where?
Salam in the washroom. Oh my god. I go in the washroom at no time.
May mobile.
Where is your mobile? And please don't stay there. Come back early.
Too much problem. Look.
Yeah.
Where's my phone?
If you stay
My
there,
phone.
I don't know where is your phone.
Oh my God. Oh my phone.
Uniform.
Uniform natin din. Mawala pa yan.
Bismillah.
Now lang, I think.
I feel your shoes is too much heavy, but I know this is not heavy.
Not hobby this.
Not heavy. Yes, this is easier for you.
Not hobby. Yung bismillah.
Finish? Okay, bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.
After come, what time?
Make video there for me. In the roads video.
Yan, suntulin natin. Okay. Sana? Dalawa. Ay, tatlo. Isang hat. Tama na. Dalawang gold.
Make a video of Burj Khalifa. Oh my God! Allahu Akbar. Hello. Hello.
Morning, Abibti. Ay, good
Good
morning.
morning.
Where's your... Ay, hello.
Hello. Yeah. Hello.
You come there.
Yes.
We go to Dubai. You are gonna be...
हाँ बेबी, ये अच्छा किया है, बच्चों को साथ लेके जा रहे हैं. वैसे तो जाना नहीं है.
4 घंटा 5 घंटा उधर बैठे
हाँ.
I want to teach me how to make eyebrow. See?
Yeah.
Oh. Mashallah.
Mashallah,
She knows
mashallah.
how to put eyebrow than me. See, see.
Mashallah, mashallah.
Where's the other one?
This one is the boy. The boy party.
Boy party.
No cold drinks? Cold drinks?
Where is your cold drinks? Cooler, where is cooler?
Cooler. Adi.
Allahu Akbar, Mallu.
Nothing there.
Alhamdulillah. Check. No, check this one.
Give me a drink. Too much hot. Give me
Cocktail.
not cocktail.
Yes.
For me. Too much time. What an one? Give me this one and I think not sleeping. No, finish na the one.
Okay. Which one you need?
Because I drink so much.
Okay, okay.
What an one?
Okay, okay. Take it.
Oh my God. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.